Now may I call on Justin Kylie S. Labadizos for the welcome address.
Good morning, distinguished guests, faculty, parents, and most importantly, all talented and hardworking students. It is with great joy and pride that I stand before you today as we celebrate the accomplishments and work of our completers. Today is a momentous occasion as we gather to mark the transition from one chapter to the next in our pupils' educational journey. To us completers, today is a reflection of the hard work, perseverance, and dedication you have shown throughout the year. Whether you are advancing to the next grade level or stepping into a new challenge, you are a testament to the spirit of growth and learning. This is not just a day of celebration, but a day of gratitude for everything you have learned, the friendship you have made, and the person you have become. Congratulations to all of you, and may the next steps in your journey be as fulfilling and rewarding as the ones that brought you here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jasmine, for that warm and encouraging welcome address.